In order to switch your hub over when it's time, first unplug your old hub and remove the Ethernet cable. Take the Ethernet cable over to this plug here. And plug that in as shown. Make sure this is completely unplugged and the Ethernet cable is going to the new hub. Then come over to the office and come up to your switch. I've already removed the hub cable as shown, but it is in port 2 right here. Once you remove it, you will attach it to this connector. Which I have marked with a 1. You will then attach the 2 connector to the 2 cable as shown. You will then attach the 3 cable as shown. Call Laundry Boss to make sure, but your hub should now be up and running.